Do you want some?
Yes.
See your mouth, yes. Just because I allowed you to stand here doesn't mean you fit everything.
The dazzling beauty of our kingdom. Seriously, royalty fits you. You're the definition of power, authority.
Exactly the words I like to hear.
Princess Natalia, baby, don't you cry. Princess Natalia, baby, don't you cry. Princess Natalia, baby.
I'm sorry, my princess. I didn't see him.
You're sorry, your princess. You didn't see him. Was that what took you so long?
But my princess, I didn't mean to offend you.
After teaching you a lesson today, you will learn to walk like a common maid that you are. Come on, get her from here. Just go. Kneel down there and raise your hands up. Idiot. Raise your hands up. And you, make sure she doesn't leave here.
Yes, Her Majesty.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she is helpless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia.
Amaka, why are you nearly under the sun?
It's Princess Natalia that instructed me to.
Why?
She said I was approaching her majestically.
Just that?
Yes, my princess.
Stand up. Return to your duty post.
Thank you, my princess.
Hey, she's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia.
I saw Amaka nearly under the sun. When I asked her, she said you told her to. Is that true?
Let me ask you a question. Dear Angel Princess Isabella, why coming in, did that maiden in any way obstruct you? Didn't you see enough space to avoid her? Didn't you?
So, you are confirming to me that you subjected her under the sun for doing nothing. Really? Really?
Isabella, try and avoid me in this palace. Just pray I see her kneeling when I go out. If not,
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia.
Madam, I heard someone calling on Nunko.
oh madam, will you come here?
Oh, you called me. Madam.
Anu,
Ma?
where is the maiden I asked to kneel down here?
The maiden? Your question weak me. Look at me, common security man. I don't know. The maiden.
Oh, my friend, what's your problem?
Okay, so...
I didn't come out here to joke. Did you hear me? I asked a simple question that demands an answer. Where is the maiden I asked to knew?
Ma, you saw your sister's car parked there. So what else do you want me to say? So if you still want to furthermore your question, maybe you know what to do. For me, I have no business. So how can I interfere in royal quarrel?
I see.
Don't put me in trouble. You want me to say? So that if I say now, you go and say. I will say now, you go and say. I say. You say, I say. You can never link me to on a quarrel, to your problems. What kind of thing? I'm just a common security man.
How dare you release a maiden I subjected to punishment?
Because you have no reason to.
Are you insane? Hey, what's going on here? What is going on?
Mother, it's high time you teach Natalia manners and good conduct. She knelt a maiden down under the sun for a no just cause. I got the maiden released, and she had the audacity, the guts, to raise a hand on me.
She should have done more than raise a hand on you. You had no right to interfere. What's your business with whomever she knelt under the sun? I've told you times without number. Mind your business in this palace. Tell her, mother. Every time she likes painting herself a saint and making me look like the evil one. This will be my last warning to you. Mind your business. Come on, baby. Let's go. After you.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody.
Your Majesty, an adopted child cannot rule over the people of Ofimo.
Oh no, point of correction. He's my son. The child would have been adopted, but he is not my son because it was legal.
Your Majesty.
That's it.
It's obvious that an adopted child cannot sit on the throne of our Ofimo. It's obvious.
Listen, no. I may be soft. I may be kind-hearted. I may allow people access to me. But one calamity I will not accept to happen to me. It is throne of Arofimo leaving my family. Never. It will never happen.
Isabella is getting on my nerves in this palace. I'll seriously deal with her. She does not avoid me.
Princess.
Jerry, what are you doing here? You're dead. I killed you.
Princess, you killed the body and not the soul. And we make life miserable for you.
Her Majesty, are you okay?
Did you see anyone?
No. Her Majesty, Lucy's here to see you.
Did you see anyone?
No.
Lucy.
She's mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia, lay down your pride.
So, how is your elder sister?
Her whereabouts in this palace is none of my business. And please, I would love if you stop addressing her as my elder sister.
But Natalia, you know that is a fact that you cannot change. So you just have to accept it.
Isabella coming into this world before me is a mistake that I won't forgive myself.
But remember, it wasn't your making. And it wasn't your power either. God who made it so hard is reason. So you just have to accept being the youngest princess because that is your fact. The most important thing here is that you are one of the princesses from this kingdom. I don't know why you worried yourself out so much about being the elder one or the younger one.
It's obvious you actually came here to talk about Princess Isabella or whatsoever you call her. Please don't spoil this nice moment for me.
Indidi.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So you are walking towards this direction. Where are you going?
I'm just coming from your home now. I've been with your mom since morning.
Doing what? You've been with my mom since morning. Doing what? Is it that you enjoy your heart being broken? Huh? What's up with your heart? Don't you like to want to protect your heart? If I break your heart now, they'll say somebody is bad. Why will you be with my mom since morning? Doing what? Huh? You are fast forwarding. I don't like the way you are behaving. Why will you be with my mom? You always like to seek attention when they did not call you. The way you are doing love. Why will you be with my mom? What are you people discussing? Planning about me? I've told you before. You will not hear. You like to look for attention. Why will you go and spend time with my mother? What are you doing with my mother? Eh? You are with my mom. But yeah, marry me now. Engage me now. You people should bring bride price. Now you people should marry me. I've told you. You just be fast falling.
Natalia, you don't have to change this topic. Because no matter how you try, you cannot succeed. Though now you enjoy your mother's support, who seems to hate Isabella so much for no just reason. Until now, I'm still wondering why a mother should hate her own biological daughter for no just cause. It really baffles me, like seriously.
You don't have to wonder because it's none of your business. Why not stick to being my friend that you are, rather than interfering yourself with royal affairs? That's why I prefer Nelly, because she always minds her business.
I'm sorry if I got you upset, my...
Oh yes, you did. And if you don't mind me, just leave.
I should leave. Like I should leave your house.
Exactly. Or do you need the guts to help you out?
Akeze, my son, you are back.
Yes.
Welcome.
Who washed my clothes?
Ndidi, of course.
Mama, don't tell me Ndidi came here to wash my clothes.
But she did.
Why?
Are you asking me why? Is she not supposed to wash your clothes?
For what?
That is to show you how much she cares.
Care about who?
About you.
Mama, you are misleading this girl.
How?
This green light people are showing. I don't understand. Will you marry her?
But you will marry her.
For what?
She is your wife to be, Akeze.
Mama, stop this thing now. You're on your own, oh. And my hand is not involved. From washing, no, from club like they enter dance. From washing clothes now, before you know, begin the pound. Mama, take it easy.
Is it not what we are planning for?
Take it easy, oh.
I'm not taking it easy.
Okay,
She is your wife. We are in this together. Akeze,
Okay,
you will marry her.
No problem.
You have to.
I had a meeting with the king a few days ago, and he insisted that the throne will never leave his family.
But he had no biological son.
That I told him. But he insisted that an adopted child should be crowned as the king's successor. So,
oh no, there is no doubt that he is the supreme ruler of Aro Ofimo. But as a friend, I will advise you not to take this order from him. Because this may attract the wrath of the gods.
Ichiofu, now that he has been pressurizing me to crown that little boy, what do I do?
If you ask me, I will tell you to seek the consent of the gods first. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yes.
Of course, I know. That's okay. It's a good advice. Please, sit. I know you. Keep looking.
Eye of the gods, tell me one good reason my son, Princess Enna, cannot become the crown prince of this kingdom. Wealthy men adopt sons, and they inherit their properties when they have gone to be with their ancestors. Why must my case be different? Why can't Princess Enna, my adopted son, inherit all my wealth, including the throne of this kingdom?
Your Highness, because it is against our tradition.
Oh, spare me that. Listen, what tradition are you talking about? That man-made tradition?
I do not expect such from you, Igwe. You can't fight against the tradition you are meant to protect. Mind you, you are #1 custodian of this tradition we are speaking now.
For one reason, my suggestions, my ideas, and my requests should be respected.
Can I have the hostel? I want to go out with it.
Give me 150 reasons why I should give it to you.
Why are you so troublesome?
Yes, you know I love troubles. And you know you despise it so much. So why not avoid me? Rather than chasing this same trouble that you abhor so much. However, didn't you see a hostel in your room before coming out here to speak to me?
The hostel in that room belongs to you. You are holding the hostel of Adeze, the position I occupy.
Oh, really? Maybe you should sleep with the fact that I have stripped you of that position and now occupies it. Adeze my foot.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say, cares for nobody.
Ono visited my home with a report that you mandated him to make Ezenna the crown prince.
Yes, I did. And for your information, Izemo, he has 11 days to do that.
Your Highness, he will do no such thing. If he does, the gods will unleash their wrath on the people of Aro Ofeimo, starting from the royal household.
Then speak with them. Make them see reason they shouldn't. Else, I will have no other option but to believe that you have conspired with my enemies to take away the throne from my royal household.
I do not bother about what mortals think about me. I am only concerned over what the gods know about me. Your Highness, sleep over this, and certainly you may wake up with a new decision. Be warned. Be warned.
Mother, I just told you that Natalia intentionally took my hostel and you endorsed her action.
Must you use that particular hostel? Must you?
Yes. Oh, please. I am the Adeze of this kingdom. I occupy that position. It's my right. I am the first daughter of the king.
Who told you that?
Ask her.
Mother, I don't get it. You gave birth to the both of us. If everyone is ignorant of this, definitely not you.
Go into your room. whatever hostel you find there, use it. Okay? And crying out loud, stop disturbing the royal household. Okay? Baby, enjoy the hostel. The color suits you.
Ndidi, listen. You need to stop allowing my mom deceive you. You see all these house chores that you are doing, it's not like it's very bad. But the thing is, to where and to what? Eh? Where will it end? No matter what you do, if you like mop this whole house, I have told you before, I will not marry you. I am not ready. So stop all these things you are doing.
But why now? Am I not beautiful enough to be your wife? Do I have too many flaws that disqualify me? Izzy, I love you.
See, you don't understand. It's not about love. It's this love that is causing the problem. You love too much. Listen, just forget about this love thing. Eh? I don't even understand the meaning of love. As for being beautiful, you are very beautiful. In fact, you are smooth. You understand me? But I am not ready. The only thing I think about right now is money. I want to make money. I'm not ready for all this relationship thing now.
But we can make money together.
No. Two people know they make money. Now one person the money. I have life now per head now. You won't follow me make my own, make your own money. You understand? I don't want distraction. You too like love, just like Titanic. What happened in Titanic? The guy no die. I don't want die. Allow me make my money. You understand? Focus on yourself. When I make money, I will not come back and see if something will work. But for now, nothing. Please.
Your Highness, it doesn't make her inferior.
Oh, quiet, woman. If that hostel meant nothing, why is Natalia breaking rules just to have it?
Nothing. I just like the design, that's all.
Quiet, I didn't talk to you. Will you hand over that hostel to Isabella immediately? I'm not going to repeat myself. Don't let this happen again.
There's nothing hidden about her existence. She's my biological daughter, all right? If she wasn't, the whole kingdom, including you, would have known.
So why then is she being treated differently? Mom, it's just obvious that you do not just prefer Natalia over Isabella, but you hate her more like a daughter of your own enemy. Mom, you see nothing wrong in every humiliation being meted on her by Natalia, whom is supposed to be her younger sister.
Please, okay? What is your problem? Listen, I do not hate anyone. Neither do I have a preference over anyone. Alright? I treat them same. All I'm trying to do here is be a good mother.
Did I hear you say being a good mother? Mother, I'm sorry to say this. If you are a definition of a good mother, I wonder what a bad one would be. I know Isabella will say same too.
Whatever.
It's alright, Mom.
Greetings, Father.
Welcome, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good.
Father, I would like to have a word with you.
Sit. Yes, I'm all ears.
Is there something you're not telling me?
Something like what?
The way Mother treats me makes me believe that there's more to my existence than I know.
don't have to worry, my daughter. Whatever the reason she has for treating you that way is best known to her. What you should be assured of is that whatever the reason is, you still remain the heirs of this kingdom. It doesn't change anything.
Thank you, Father. Thanks for the clarification and restoration of my confidence.
I owe that to you, my daughter. Any day.
All right, I'll be in my room.
All right? Maintain that smile.
I will.
What is wrong with you?
You sent for me.
Sit. Ugoeze.
Your Highness.
To the best of my knowledge, I got you pregnant the first time, and Isabella is a result of that pregnancy. I got you pregnant the second time, and Natalia came out as a result of that pregnancy. I want to know, is there anything contrary to what I have just said that I need to know?
Your Highness, you know everything. But why ask the question? And why now?
Well, your attitude towards Isabella was what brought about the question. You have been treating her like she's the daughter of a rival instead of your own daughter. And this is giving me concern, and I'm beginning to ask a lot of questions in my mind that I can't even find answers to.
Your Highness, you're correct. They are both my daughters. And yours.
Let me come to the reason I invited you for this talk. I want you to find a lasting peace between the two princesses. I cannot be attending to such matters when I have more serious matters like the calamity that is about to befall my family to deal with.
Calamity? What calamity are you talking about?
If you must know, the Ezemo and elders of this land do not want Prince Ezenna to become the crown prince. Of course, it worries me. They don't want him to be the crown prince, and I will not allow that to happen. It is not going to happen. So I do not need distractions like this. I want you to take charge, bring peace between them, and I know that you will not fail me.
I won't fail you, Your Highness.
I saw Princess Isabella walking to her room. But where is Natalia?
Natalia went out with a friend.
Went out with a friend? At this time?
Do not worry, Your Highness. She'll be back shortly.
It's okay. You know better. I'll be in my room.
Whoa, hey, she's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. much pride. She's so full of herself. She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say.
My name is Akeze Odisakwe, the only son of Isiako, a poor widow in this community, Your Majesty.
Thank you for saving my daughter. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Your Majesty. I mean, the pleasure is mine. I couldn't allow a royal blood suffer in that condition.
Well, that is good to hear. But you know, a lot of people would have taken advantage of the fact that she's of royal blood. They would have even started asking for things and, you know, but you're different. Most people have lost their conscience. They don't care anymore. There's something good about you.
Thank you.
And I really appreciate it. I must tell the king so that he can reward you. But unfortunately, he has gone to bed. So maybe you come back tomorrow. If you'll come back tomorrow morning, you will get the reward from the king. Okay?
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You had better start going because it's getting quite late.
All right. Bye, Your Majesty. Thank you.
Natalia, what is wrong with you? Why do you keep disgracing the royal household? Why?
Young man, you are the one who saved my daughter last night.
Yes, Your Highness.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You have proven that you are a responsible man and that you have respect for royalty. Here, take. This is your reward.
Your Highness, thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Thank you, Your Highness.
It's okay. You deserve more than this. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you. I wish I had more people like this in this kingdom.
Greetings, the princess.
You are the young man that helped me last night, right?
Yes, my princess.
And early this morning, you're already here looking for a reward. Did I ever seek for your assistance last night?
No, my princess. But you were in a very miserable condition, so I decided to help.
You're stupid. You're the one miserable upstairs. Are you mad? talk to me in such rude manners? Beggar! Fool!
Thank you, my princess.
She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is hot.
So, sorry. Where do you think you are going to?
Where are you going to now?
Oh, okay. I'm going home.
Oh, you are going home?
Yes.
And what are you holding, my brother?
Oh, it's a gift from the king.
From the king?
Yes.
Wait and answer my question. I am not supposed to ask you what that envelope contains. Which I know that envelope contains money, which king gave you for bringing back his useless daughter last night. And you know, I played a vital role that last night. Because if I had not stayed awake to open this gate, I wonder how you would have gotten in to have this envelope.
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is that I have a court. I'm supposed to have my share here because I played a very vital, important role. So you can't just leave me.
You have a court?
Yes.
Not the only court, my grass cutter.
Divide it into 3 portions. Give me my own share. That's what I'm telling you. And that's what I'm asking for.
I should give you your share?
Yes.
In this money?
Yes.
Blight say this one don't demand. Open here for me. Let me live here. What's the meaning of this thing you are saying?
Okay, want to go? It's like you don't know who is standing before you. This man standing here, I am the only chief security officer, DSS, in charge of this palace. So how dare you talk to me like that? Do you know what that means? I can label you anything, I can call you anything, I can call you thief, kidnapper, whatever, and people will rush in here and stone you to death.
Okay, now this small gift you are calling, let me make you dey vibrate like this.
Give me my own share, do the needful, or you are not doing anything.
Okay, I'm not giving you anything. I don't give you anything. Which kind of talk with that?
Stay here. Princess, stay here. So if you make move, I move you. Hey!
Where did you get all this money from? Because I know you didn't go to work today. This money is too much.
Mama, if I tell you the stress and how I got this money, you will not be asking me that question.
Which stress are you talking about? And who gave you this money, Akeze?
Remember I told you how I saved the princess last night? Good. The Igwe invited me.
Igwe invited you?
Yes, now. And he had to, compensate me. They compensated me with this money. Igwe. Yes, but you know there's a saying, when good things is coming your way, bad things will follow. Mama, do you know that for this money to get to my hand, I swallowed lots of insults from that arrogant and stupid princess, that wicked Princess Natalia. Not small something. Natalia, I finished from there. The next one, the gate man attacks me. I wanted to collect this, but I battled with the gate man. All thanks to the Adesi, that Princess
Isabella.
Isabella. It's that one that just came and rescued the situation. If not, I would have come home with half of this money.
You see? The same princess you saved is a bad one. Yes. It's no longer news. And the Igwe we thought would be a bad man is now the good one.
Exactly.
May the gods bless him. May the gods bless that Igwe and Adeze. My son, you are very lucky.
Thank you, Mama.
You are lucky as you said.
4. 5, 6.
This one is too much.
Yes, it was 50.
50?
No, it's 53 now. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57.
The money is...
Oh, Mama, it's 62. 62.
I will keep some for you.
She listens to nobody and she never value anybody. With so much pride, she's so full of herself. She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Princess Natalia. She listens to nobody and she never value anybody. With so much pride, she cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride.
My princess, no, don't take it. Don't take it. Princess, why are we stopping here?
Jerry,
Yes, my princess.
I brought you into the palace.
Yes, my princess.
I feed you well. And I treat you well.
Yes, my princess.
I even pay you. And I made you my personal driver.
Yes, my princess, I know, and I appreciate everything.
So why did you interfere in royal affairs?
My princess, I never interfered. I mean, I don't understand.
You saw me today.
Oh, that? Okay, yes, I saw you. But I will not tell anybody. Nobody is going to hear about it. I promise you.
That is why I have to be sure that no one hears about it.
No, my princess, please. I promise you, I will not tell anybody. I promise you, please don't do this to me, please.
She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. She listens to nobody and she never value anybody. With so much pride, she's so full of herself. She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a
It is good you are thinking about me. You like the water? The beauty of this palace. I miss it.
Jerry, why are you always following me? Always spoiling my good mood. I killed you because you failed me. And if you want a pound of flesh, go on with it and get over with it. But if you cannot, stop following me like a stupid ghost.
You will never change. You like life. You like royalty. Let's take one look at this. Beauty of life. This palace. And let the picture live in your memory. Because you will not have an opportunity to see it again.
You lie.
You will wallow in darkness.
Stupid ghost. Ghost without power.
Princess Natalia. Princess Natalia. Princess Natalia. She listens to nobody and she never value anybody.
Your Majesty, I greet you. May you live long. It has come to the notice of the elders of this kingdom that you are persuading Onowu to go against the tradition that we all stand to protect by telling him to crown your adopted son as the crown prince of this kingdom. Your Majesty, that is why we are here, to ask you why. Because an elder cannot sit at home and watch the goat deliver and take us. Oh, dear man. It doesn't happen.
I would have chosen not to answer this question. But I know. I think it would be unwise and wrong for me to undermine the elders of this great kingdom of our fame. Even though they have chosen not to reason as humans, but as animals. However, before I go further to answer this question, permit me to ask you one very simple question.
Your Majesty, we are your subjects. You can ask questions.
Good. When a man fails to produce a male child as heir to his throne or to his dynasty, when he dies after adopting a child, what or who inherits his property?
Your Majesty, the adopted child becomes his heir
and inherits the property. But it's not as the same as we speak. Your Majesty, we are talking about an ancient traditional stool of arrow film. And to claim that you don't understand what we're saying is the first class of deception. Because our tradition is clearly written. Yes.
Oh no. Princess Zenna is not a stranger. He is my son, adopted or not. And I will not allow or accept any tradition from wherever it is that denies him that right. The throne of Arofemo is here to stay in my family. I will never allow you to leave it. So think twice when you think of that alternative. From the foregoing, I give you 11 days within which to implement my wish or remain suspended indefinitely from the cabinet.
Did you hear that? Igwe called us animals. We the elders of Arofemo. Animals! Ah!
You see, let me tell you, Ichie, let me tell you. You are just overblowing this thing. Igbe never called you or anybody animals. He only said, we reason like animals. He didn't call us an animal.
What difference does it make? We reason like animals. And we are animals. To me, they are the same thing. They are the same thing. Are you waiting for him to bluntly call you animals before you understand what he's saying? Igwe Nwafo is biting more than he can chew. Igwe Nwafo is challenging the gods by not obeying their directives.
Ichie Akubilo. Ichie Akubilo. Ichie Akubilo, how many times did I call you?
He called me 3 times. If he called 4 times, I will see answer.
Let me tell you. Put yourself in the shoes of the Igbe. Would you allow the thrones to be taken away from your family? In as much as I am not in support of his insult. But I think that, you see, we have to be reasonable here. Let's just be reasonable. You cannot take it. You will do worse if you are in his shoes. I am telling you to your face.
So you are supporting him?
Mba.
You ain't no problem. You are supporting him.
So why should I support him? I'm not supporting him.
You are supporting him.
No, it's not true.
You are supporting
Don't say that.
Hey,
don't say that. It's Akubilo.
But look at it. When this rain he is drawing start falling, it will affect. It will affect every one of us.
No, because the rain will not fall if there is no reason for rain to fall. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Because you are the one trying to draw the rain down. Of course.
Me?
Yes. Put yourself in the position of the Igwe. Would you take that? You will do worse things.
It's like
Akubilo, you do worse.
It's like you are deaf.
I am not.
You are deaf to what he said.
I am not. You are the one that refused to understand.
You are deaf to what he said.
You are the one who
refused to animal.
No.
You don't understand.
He did not call us animals.
In fact, he got to me.
No, it's not possible. It's not.
You are an animal yourself.
I am not. I am not.
I won't accept.
No, I am not.
Zena.
My princess.
What is bothering you?
My princess, I may not be able to sit on the throne of Arofimo, no matter how hard father tries to secure that position for me.
Why?
Because of you.
How? I don't get it. You're getting me all confused. How do you mean?
My sister, there is more to your existence than we all are meant to believe.
What are you insinuating?
Princess, time will tell. Time will tell.
Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride.
Are you going to stand there and stare as if you didn't see the princess of Arofimo Kingdom?
Greeting, Her Majesty, if that is all you want.
That we do for now. So tell me, why haven't you been coming recently to the palace to see me?
Because the last time I came, I was insulted and humiliated by someone who called herself my friend. Simply because she's royal and I'm not. Besides, I'm not even desperate to be a friend to a princess. I go where my advice and I are appreciated. Because my house isn't haunting me. So I better stay home and stay safe.
I see. I'm sure you do not expect me to apologize to you because I am a princess. And moreover, you should know that I'm sorry, even without apologizing. And learn how to forgive a princess without her asking for it.
I beg you, my princess.
We are still friends though, from childhood. And I value the friendship. I'll be on my way now.
Alright.
See you later.
Okay, my princess. Bye.
Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. She don't care what people say, cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Princess Natalia.
Greetings, my princess.
You are the young man that drove me the other night, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, you're not mistaken, it's me.
I remembered speaking to you rudely a day after. I'm not meant to apologize, but let me award you that favor. I'm sorry.
Well, I have forgiven you. I have no grudges. I noticed that you are not in a very good mood.
Of course, you do not have any right to bear grudges over the princess of your kingdom. You're handsome though, but looking very miserable.
Thank you, my princess.
Don't thank me yet. Come to the palace later. Let me see what I can do for your miserable life.
Hey, Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia.
Father, why are you fighting the same tradition you are supposed to protect? Father, you know I can never sit on the ancestral stool of our Rufimo. You know that.
Listen now. Tell me, what do you know?
Father, I was adopted. I am not a biological son of Igwe Nwafonye Ekwere.
Doesn't matter anything. You are my son now. You can still succeed me. That reminds me. Atese said something yesterday.
Yes, Father. I told her that. Father, on 23 separate occasions, I dreamt about someone seated on the throne. Father, that person was on me.
So, who was that?
Father, I do not know. It was unclear. But the person is much more older than I am.
Are you going to see her as she requested?
Who? Me? Akeze? No, that's not possible. Over my dead body. See her for what? And she will wait for me. I'm not going anywhere. Come on.
Akeze, she may have good plans for you, and you are now about missing it. Huh?
Mama.
You are about missing this opportunity. Oh.
This one is not opportunity. Let her carry that big plan and give it to the dogs. I don't need it.
Imagine.
Somebody that opened her mouth to say, I am stinking. Can you hear? She just said, you stink. So when I go there, what will happen? So she will say, I'm decaying.
Hey.
Come on, let her. I just succumb based on the fact that I just want her to just stop talking. That's why I just act like this. I agreed. Me, go there. She will wait. She will not see me. This kind of opportunities, I don't want it. I like my life like this. It's better I'm like this. I hate insult.
Akeze.
No, I just like my life like this. I don't want anything.
Anyway, that one is your business. I've said my own. You know, opportunity they say comes but once. Most times we don't have to miss this type of opportunity.
Well, this one is not opportunity. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. I don't need it.
You know what you are doing?
Yes.
Akeze, you know what you are doing? No problem.
You're the last person I thought I would see today. I thought you have a job in the city.
Yeah, that was a few months ago, but I lost it.
I'm so sorry about that.
You don't have to be. It wasn't your fault. So what about your sister, Princess Natalia?
She's fine with her troubles.
She hasn't changed?
Did I hear you say change? She hasn't. The worst is, she sees me as a rival. She believes I deprived her the privilege of becoming the Adeze of this kingdom.
So how are you supposed to take that blame? Did you project yourself to come out first?
Greeting, my princess. The news getting to my office right now is that you want. How can I be of help?
What office?
Oh, the office of the general security man, the only security man in this royal compound. That's me. Onunkwa.
Are you insane? Are you mad?
My senses are intact or correct. All the same, pardon me and forgive my manners, my princess. Sorry.
Address me as Her Majesty.
Eh?
Address me as Her Majesty.
How can I address you as Her Majesty? How will I then address your father or your mother? I'm only suggesting, no, my princess, why not go for something more befitting? Something like Her Lowness or Her Quarterness. That highness is too high.
you insane? How dare you talk to me in such rude manners? A people like you. Do you want to lose your job?
No. You know, you are not the one that employed me. It was your father who gave me the job. You cannot sack me. I'm only trying to suggest to you what the highness goes with high tension. So I can.
That's the high tension. Jesus. Fool! You're mad.
You weren't wrong when you said she has turned into a beast, if that's the case. But I'll advise you to avoid her as much as you can. Desperate people can do unthinkable, especially now she has indicated her interest in your position as Adaeze.
My dear, I am avoiding her and I will keep avoiding her. Let's talk about something else. When did you return?
Just yesterday. Just to see that you came into my mind.
That's so nice of you and thoughtful of you. So how long do you intend to stay?
Fool. Next time you will know how to deal with me in this palace. Now to the reason I called you. Did any young, handsome, miserable guy come looking for me?
Ma, the way you fashion.
Her Majesty, please.
Her Majesty.
Good.
In fact, your question is quite incomprehensible to my little medulla oblongata. How can one man, just a man, not God, how can one man possess such qualities? Miserable, including plus handsome. Let him take one. Is that either he's miserable or he's handsome? It cannot mix together. Her Majesty.
Did you see any handsome man today?
Nobody handsome crossed that gate.
What about miserable?
I cannot allow anything miserable to enter this royal compound. It's not possible. Not when I'm still the only security man here. It's not possible. I do not see anything miserable.
You did not see anybody? No handsome guy? No miserable? I see.
I didn't see them. None of the above. I didn't see anything.
You will remain here till I say otherwise. Next time you will know how to deal with Her Majesty Natalia. Fool.
She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia.
But when will you say otherwise? Is it now or never? Or never now? Or not at all? I know. Atoro Bauchi, Ochako Omaka, Half Abino, Manu Akara. Look at you. Don't worry, I know why you slapped me and I didn't do anything. Imagine, who do you think you are that I will call?
I will tell her what you said, the one you say, the one you're planning to say, the one that is even inside your mind. I will tell her.
I was afraid. Come.
Don't drag me.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless.
Why did you stop the car?
I did not stop the car, my princess.
How many times will I correct you to address me as Her Majesty?
I'm sorry, my majesty.
You're sorry for yourself, fool. Oh, please, get out and check what is wrong with that car and take me out from here. Fool!
She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Lay down your
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please, are you the owner of this place?
And your guy you dey see so now. Which other one now you dey find? Wetin dey happen?
Please, my madam car broke down, not too far from this place. Can you help me fix it?
The way you take dey ask me, no be work I dey find. Na money I dey find, I go fix am now. But you go wait make I finish the work wey I get for hand. Just sit down for this side.
What is taking this stupid boy for so long? Does he mean he didn't see a mechanic or what? Doesn't he know that I'm the princess of this kingdom? And my safety is not guaranteed out here without a guard.
My princess, he will be here soon.
Oh, my friend, shut up. What do you know? Do you know who I am? I'm the princess of this kingdom. And I have kidnap value. If anything happens to me, the whole of this kingdom is in trouble.
I'm sorry for talking, my princess.
And why are you to even talk while Her Majesty is talking?
Don't mind her. Useless girl. Your presence irritates me. Just leave this place.
Her Majesty.
Go back to the palace, leave.
Her Majesty, the palace is too... Her Majesty.
Obey Her Majesty and go now.
Stupid girl.
Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's
And you,
ready to
what
strike.
I still did there?
She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride.
You have a good handwork.
Thank you, my princess.
No wonder. Because I was wondering how a pooper like you managed to drive my car home the last night. Knowing full well that you don't have a car and in future you won't even have one.
My princess, I might be poor, but I won't be poor forever. Yes, I do not have a car right now, but in the future, I might have a very nice car. Something that you will not even have in your entire life. What is this one? It's not a car.
What's that supposed to mean? Are you insulting me?
My princess, I am not insulting you. I just give you a response to what you said. But if you see it as an insult, fine.
Do not forget that you're standing with the princess of this kingdom. And do not abuse that privilege. That reminds me, I invited you a few days ago, but you refused to honor my invitations.
I was busy.
Why? You were busy?
Yes.
That you had to dishonor the princess of this land?
Hey, princess. Okay, that's enough. You've shouted for too long. It's okay. It's enough. What's your problem, Seth? This is the point where you need to come down from your high horse. You need to humble yourself. At this point, I am your messiah. Ironically, I am the king, if you want to put it that way. Why? Because you will not get any other mechanic in this place. If I leave this your car now, you will jump keke or enter bike. Why are you shouting? Calm down, Joe. If you don't allow me to fix this car, I'll just leave this car. What is it? Somebody's helping you. You are there to remind you are the prince of the land, Am I not the king of the mechanic?
She lays things to nobody, and she never value anybody. With so much pride she goes. She's so full of herself. She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down.
Where you? Honor. Daddy. Offer. Hey.
So it can take me home now.
Sure now. It's okay now. To take you home now, everything is on point. Just balling.
Good. Do you know I can punish you now for disrespecting me?
Yes, I know. But you won't do it.
Do not sound too sure, because you do not know me too well.
Princess, I know you. You are the princess. The wicked and the heartless princess. That's who you are. But you know one thing about you, you're human after all. You have conscience. Right now in your heart, you are indebted to me for saving the situation, so you will not do anything to me. Give me my money, man.
God! Take me home.
Princess, with my money now.
I'm inviting you to the palace tomorrow morning. When you come, I shall pay you.
Princess, you want the eh? This one a royal own, you know.
Listens to nobody and she never value anybody. With so much pride, she cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride.
Wind down. You're still on the road.
My princess, I'm so sorry. Please.
Let it go. If I get to the palace before you, you are dead. My friend, move this car. Let me get home before you.
She's a beast and she's mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody.
Where did you get that guts from? To talk to the wicked princess in such manner? Huh?
I'm not scared of her. I told her my mind straight up. I'm not scared of her now. I knew she would do nothing. Yes, because she has conscience. You understand? At that point, I was her messiah. There was no way she would do anything to me now. I just told her my mind straight up.
My son, don't be too sure. You have to tread with caution. I've heard a lot of negative things about that princess.
So, brother, what about her invitation? Will you visit her tomorrow?
Me? I'm not going anywhere.
What about your money?
Let her keep the money. I don't need it.
No, we need the money.
I'm not going.
You don't need the money.
I don't need it.
Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. She listens to nobody and she never value anybody. With so much pride, she cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia.
Why am I so much attracted to that wretched idiot who lack manners and respect for royalty? I find myself forgiving him for what I would on a normal circumstance behead others for. What is wrong with me? No, this is not love. Never. I, Princess Natalia, can never end up with that pooper. Till I see him again anyway.
They tell me love is blind, but I love what I see.
Hey,
I'm so in love with you.
Is it you?
Oh no! Why are you not dressed for today's cabinet meeting?
Igwe gave me 11 days ultimatum to crown the wrong heir or be suspended from the cabinet. It's already 9 days. So, I have no intention of obeying such orders, except I hear from the gods.
But do you know that might be a mere threat? Or maybe he may have changed his mind. That's not enough reason for you to stay away from today's crucial meeting. It's not okay. Please, let's go.
If you say so, please come and sit down. Let me quickly dress up.
Please, that's my good friend. Please, let's go there. This is very crucial. Oh no. This is dog of the line.
They tell me love is blind, but I love what I see. I'm so in love with you. Nobody can take you away. They tell me love is blind, but I love being with you. Because I'm so in love with you. Baby, I cannot let you go.
This meal is very delicious.
I prepared it.
I know. Of course I know you prepared it. But let me ask you. Don't you have better things to do? Instead of preparing meal, bringing it here for me to eat. I mean, bringing food for someone who does not care about your existence.
Easy. How could you say that to me?
I'm sorry, but I'm just trying to be honest, direct and truthful. I don't really care about you like that. You understand? And nothing can happen between the both of us. I don't want it to come across like I'm hurting you when I leave you for another woman. Try and understand, so that we can be on the same page. If not for the food, trust me, I go chow. I like food, and the food makes sense. So I go to chow your food steady. But me no fit chow you. You understand? So, you just understand. You know? Obviously I can't chop your food now. You're gonna feel like, say, okay, I don't break your hand. Meanwhile, the food is nice. And the pomo, I like the soaking of the oil. Hey! Ndidi! Your flask!
It's time we start planning how to impeach Igwe Nwafọ. Let him get out of that throne. Ya nozuga n'akụkụ.
Ichi Akubeze Akibilo, have you ever had such a thing happen in our kingdom? Has it happened in our kingdom?
Everything in life happens one day. Let this one start with us. Let this one start happening with us.
I am disappointed as you, Ichie Akubilo, that you could speak this way. I am highly disappointed. You are the least person I expected to talk like this. Based on your words, let everything start now. All that exists start now. Is that not what he said? So what is wrong with the adopted child becoming the heir to the throne of our kingdom?
No, it is against our tradition. The gods forbid it. The tradition also forbids. The same tradition did not forbid
the impeachment of the incoming king. This tradition did not forbid that.
Not when he is disrespecting the gods. This could bring calamities, problems to our kingdom.
Ichi Akubilo, the same calamities I'm trying to put before you, Ichi Akubilo. You are not in the position to fight for the gods. No, you don't fight for the gods, Ichi Akubilo.
Let the gods arise and fight for themselves. I am going.
I see that you have taken bribes. That's why you speak for the corner of your mouth.
I have not taken any bribes. Can you see that the rain is dropping because of what you are saying?
The rain will follow you.
No.
Well, this meeting is as good as concluded. I have not sought for anybody's opinion. If I need it, I will request for it. And you, Ono, I give you 2 days to do my bidding, or face and suffer the humiliation of being suspended indefinitely from the cabinet.
You must regret this. Mark my word.
Her Majesty, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. My eyes are wanting to see the young mechanic guy that fixed my car the other day. I already searched for the guy who went to his workshop, but he's not anywhere in this palace. I cannot sleep properly tonight without seeing his face. I need to see him.
The guard is around now, and I equally know his working place.
Oh, you do?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Very good then. Get the guard with one other maiden. Let's go.
All right, Her Majesty.
They tell me love is blind, but I love it in I see. I'm so in love with you, nobody can take you away. They tell me love is blind, but I love being with you, because I'm so in love with you. Baby, I cannot let you go. I can climb the highest mountain to see we are together. I can swim the deepest ocean to show you how I feel. Cause if love is sacred.
Greetings, my princess. Stop addressing her as her princess. Her Majesty. I am sorry, Your Majesty. What do I owe this visit?
Your son disobeyed me. I invited him to the palace on 2 separate occasions, but he never showed up. Where is he?
I am sorry, Your Majesty. I am sure he forgot. Please, don't hurt my son.
Woman, speak for yourself. Where is he?
He is yet to return from work. He's still at his workshop.
Very good then. Tell him I visited once he returns.
Sure, I must tell him.
She's a beast and she's mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Hey, lay down. She listens to nobody and she never value anybody. With so much pride, she knows she's so full a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia.
You know his workshop, right?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Take me there.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia.
Mama, I saw the princess leaving. What has she come to do again?
She's hunting for your brother.
What has my brother done again this time?
She said your brother disobeyed her. I warned him, but he wouldn't listen. Now, have you seen it?
Mama, calm down, don't worry. Everything will be fine. Nothing will happen to brother. Nothing.
I pray so.
Just calm down. Nothing will happen to him.
I know the princess very well.
They tell me love is blind, but I love within I see. I'm so in love with you, nobody can take you away. They tell me love is blind, but I love being with you, because I'm so in love with you. Baby, I cannot let you go. I can climb the highest mountain.
Princess, when did you get here?
I can swim the deepest ocean to show you how I feel. Cause if love is a crime, I want to be.
You are seated close to a man who stings.
Do not start by reminding me about your miserable condition.
You will never change, Your Majesty.
So promise me, would you visit me tomorrow?
I have already promised you. I don't go back to my words. I will, but that will be after work. I'll try and close earlier so as to meet up.
Alright. I'm holding you by your words. Are you done so I can drop you home?
No, I am not done.
Leave my car.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Hey, lay down your pride. Princess.
Mama, it's okay now. Relax.
Are you telling me it's okay? I am worried.
Mama, relax now.
It's okay, how?
Mama, I mean, if you didn't go to visit her, I really do not think that's enough reason for the princess to hurt.
Who knows? You know what she's capable of doing. What is it?
Brother, what happened?
What is going on? Why are you people looking at me like that? Mama, why are you looking all over my body? What is it? Huh? What is the problem? Why are you looking all over my body? What's going on?
The princess was looking for you.
Oh, the princess? Yeah, she came to my shop. We're cool. I've seen her. She even wanted to drop me off. I just told her, just let her forget about it.
Are you serious?
I'm serious now. What's all this drama for? Hey, what's going on?
I thought she was looking for you to hurt you.
Hurt me? For what?
If you see the way she left here, her face alone will tell you what she was capable of doing.
Oh man, forget the princess. I was with her just now.
Brother, are you sure you're okay?
If you ask me if I'm okay, I'll give you back.
Just tell us the truth.
I am fine.
Princess, for days now you've not been yourself. Tell me, what's going on?
Mother, I am fine. You know, something is definitely wrong with you. You can deceive everyone, but not I, your mother. So tell me, what's wrong?
Nothing worth celebrating anyway. I'm on the verge of finding happiness again.
Happiness? Where is this happiness coming from?
Mother, when it's time, I will let you know.
Okay, I'll be right here, waiting.
So Lucy, because the princess of this land and the candidate of their Daisy walked you out of this compound and you refuse visiting. Girl, you're stubborn.
Nelly, I know you always support her, even when you know that what she's doing or saying is wrong. Anyways, if that is your own definition of stubbornness, there is no debate. I accept that I am stubborn.
Seems you don't know you have the privilege to become a friend to this royal blood.
Yes, because I also have blood running in my vein. Though it may not be royal, but it's still blood after all.
Your Majesty, to royal blood, you seem lost. You're not even adding anything to our discussion. What's going on?
I have lost my heart to someone I shouldn't have. A pooper. A disgusting fool that does not even appreciate my presence.
You will be who? What's your name now? Hey, wait here.
I do alright. And for your mind, you think I'm smiling for you, Abi? I'm only pretending. Yes, I use it to lure you into my trap. Have you forgotten that day? Have you?
What's happened?
Yes, you're supposed to give me my court. But because of Princess Isabella, you ran like you'll never come back.
Wait. So you see the talk this money matter?
Oh, huh? You think I have forgotten? No, anything concerning money, I can never forget it easily.
You have money pass and you just get from. We will fight. We fight you now.
No, you won't fight me.
I will fight you.
Do you know I can kill you here, bury you, and nobody will trace you?
No, you won't fight me.
Brother, try me now. Just wait a
No, wait, you won't fight me.
Hey, no, even near me, I'm going to bust your head. Now.
Before you fight me, make I tell you why I come here. Princess Natalia now invites me here. So before you go kill me, now I just go tell Princess Natalia, say you know one man, say Princess.
Hey, my guy, relax.
What do worry you?
No, as a security man, I want to check you to know if you are coming for good or not. I'm just playing with you. Can't I just play with you, brother?
She asked me to come and see her, and you are stopping me.
Oh, she asked you.
Princess Natalia.
No, you are permitted to go, brother. No.
What do you worry you?
Follow here.
Okay, wait. Follow here, right? You dey hold me?
No, how will I hold you? Sorry, my brother. This little play now you turn to something serious. Now, wow, I don't want to lose my job.
He's just a mechanic.
Did you just say a mechanic? Nelly, what do you mean by common mechanics? Are mechanics not human?
Greetings, my princess.
My princess. Who's this disgusting fool standing right beside me?
He is the fool that I was just telling you about.
Oh, the mechanic. Oh, stinks.
And you? What are you doing here? Didn't you see that I'm with my friends? Why did you come here to disgrace me? With your stinking body. You, take him out. Yes. Wait for me out there. I will be with him shortly.
How about my princess? That was too harsh. That was too harsh. But he's stinking. He stinks.
But I love him.
Do what? You see? That is the reason you shouldn't have insulted him that way. Moreover, you can watch this guy to become the exact thing you want for yourself. You have the finance after all. Please, we just...
Hello.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, noble man of my kingdom. Why are you sitting here?
I came to see your sister, Princess Natalia, and she asked that I sit here and wait for her while she finished her discussion with her friends.
Why would she ask you to sit here? Why not sit inside?
That's a question for your sister to answer, my princess.
She's a beast and she is mean.
Okay.
She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody.
We have enough inside. Enough music inside.
They know they bought in Agbada for a year.
Is that so? Please,
Hey, what's
the
up?
luggage.
Get the
Bring
luggage. Get the luggage.
Hey, my son. You're welcome.
Wow, what's it changed, man?
You know you gave me money to repaint, do some touching. I did that. Please, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Mama, she gave me 100,000 naira, no doubt. But the kind of insult that I received, on top of that 100,000, I have never received that kind of insult or humiliation in my full life.
Brother, but at least that 100,000 naira is enough to take away your humiliation now. It's not like you even make 100,000 naira in a month. So what are we now saying?
So she gave you 100,000 naira just for repairing her car?
First, that money is high. But you see the insult is higher than that money. As a matter of fact, I will not step my foot into that palace again for nothing. And if she invites me, I'll turn down an invitation.
Because look at what you're saying. Is it not better she insult you and give you that money than coming home empty-handed? Yes! It's better you collect that money and receive the insults.
Me?
Have you made such amount of money before?
I should be receiving insults. Mama, I can't receive those kind of insults. What is bringing that one? Why would I be collecting insult for someone I'm older than? Or is it because she's a princess or because she has royal blood? Is it because I'm poor? That kind of rubbish, I will not try it again. She will not even see me again.
I prefer you collect the insult and take the money. In fact, I want her to be insulting you more and be paying you more. Yes! Look at what you're saying. Are you out of your senses? 100,000 naira.
It's for her to give me like 200,000 naira insult now. So I should give more money. I will not take any insult again. You're telling me to collect more money.
We are not talking about the insult. What we are talking about is the money involved in the insult.
What is it? Are we in any form of trouble?
Not at all. We came in peace.
So, what are these for?
Princess Natalia asked us to give you this gift. She wants you to put them on and look attractive for her. Are you serious? This? Mama, see. Oh my God. Brother, see, look at it. See how nice it is.
Put it inside.
Yes, Mama. Oh. All right, we'll send our regards.
You can go now.
All right, thank you.
My greetings to the princess.
Greetings to the princess. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at. And this one will fit you very well. You know your hair. And this one is black.
Igwe, I understand your feelings. Yes, I do. I have placed myself in your shoes, so I know what you are passing through, Igwe. But Igwe, you cannot go against the directive of the gods.
The gods offended me first. Why were they so heartless not to bless me with my own son?
Igwe, the ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. Their ways are far different, Igwe. Well, anyway, Igwe, I have not come here to ask you to succumb to their desire. No, Igwe. Igwe, my main reason of being in this palace is to plead with you to lift the suspension you place on Ono, Igwe. It's against their tradition. It's unlawful.
The same tradition is not in my favor. I am the king. My word is law.
I know, Igwe.
I am the law.
I know, Igwe.
Anyway, thank you for your concern, Ichienuma.
Thank you, Igwe.
I will give it a thought, because you seem to be the most reasonable of all those animals that call themselves members of the cabinet.
May you live long, Igwe.
What if I make you the Ono? After all, you are sitting in this place already.
Is it right?
Yes. Princess, what are you doing here?
I was driving out and I noticed a sound, more like a fault in my car. So I met someone on the way and he directed me here and told me I would get the help I need here.
Yes. That's not a problem. My princess, please.
I never knew you work here.
I work here. But please, can you just sit under that shade? I'll check it out for you.
All right.
Yeah. Princess, here's your bag.
Thank you. Excuse me. Where can I get food to buy? I'm very famished.
They sell food here, but it's not the kind of food that you would like. Your kind of food there, the place is quite far. But that's not the problem. Just give me the money, I'll go and buy it for you.
But you're working.
No, it doesn't matter. I'll go and get it. Anything for my good princess.
All right, if you insist. Get me fried rice and chicken.
Fried rice and chicken?
Yes.
My princess, but this is too much for fried rice and chicken.
You can keep the rest.
Thank you. I'll be back shortly.
He's so handsome and humble.
What? Is he mad? No, has he lost it? How dare he suspend my own father from the cabinet? Ongukai?
My son, calm down. Even if you will, it's not now. Let me sit down and watch and see what he's up to.
Father, you know how impatient I can be. You know how impatient I can be. I need to confront that fool.
I know. But let us wait. Eh? At least let's see if he will come to his senses. That is the level I want to maintain now.
I'm giving him 3 days. 3 days to reverse his decision. Else, he will have me to contend with. They know they bought in Agbada for here. They know they bought in Agbada for here.
My son, he's the king.
What kind of stupid king? Princess, I'm done. The car is fine now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my princess.
You saved my life.
It's nothing.
Take care.
Princess, I didn't change the engine of the car. It's just a minor fault. I just fixed it.
You deserve more, alright?
Thank you so much. God bless you, my princess.
It's okay.
Hi.
Akeze, can I ask you for a favor?
Sure. Anything within my power, I will do it.
Can we be best of friends, like besties?
Yes. My princess, you know I can't say no to you now. We can be besties.
Alright then. See you tomorrow.
Alright, princess.
Alright.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you for the money.
You go, I can climb the highest mountain to see we are together. I can swim the deepest ocean to show you how I feel. Cause if love is a crime, I want to be a victim. Cause I cannot let it go.
My princess, you're kind, you're soft-hearted, and you're very humble. As a matter of fact, you are the total opposite of your younger sister. She's wicked.
Please don't say my sister is wicked, alright? She's not what you think.
My princess, you know what I am saying. You know I am saying the truth. Why don't you want me to say it? Set yourself, you know.
Don't worry, she will change.
Change? Did you just say change? That will never happen. Your sister can never change. And if for anything she actually changed, that would be very good. I mean, that would be like the biggest miracle of the century.
Trust me, she will change. Anyways, thanks for the positive comments and the compliments.
My princess, you don't need to thank me. I mean, it is truth. I mean, it's very obvious. Even the blind man could see it.
But yet, some people pretend not to say it. Anyways, let's talk about something else.
Something like what?
Your business. Don't you want to change it for a better one?
No. I like what I do. I mean, I like my handwork.
Okay. Let me assist you establish it in a bigger platform. In a bigger way.
Cause if love is a crime, I want to be a victim. Cause I cannot let it go. I cannot let it go. Oh yeah. If love is a crime, then let me be the victim.
Here you are. I've been looking for you all over the palace. Tom, where have you been?
I went to see a friend.
My sister went to see a friend. Do I know this friend?
Nope.
Sister, I have noticed a special excitement on your face of recent. I get to know the reason.
Okay. I love him so much, but...
Greetings.
I love him so much, but I don't know how to tell him. And I'm afraid he might not summon the courage to tell me himself.
What makes you think so?
Greetings, Her Majesty.
What do you want?
Her Majesty, it seems Princess Isabella is in love with someone.
What? Isabella? In love with someone? And who is he in love with?
That I couldn't get. I overheard her discussing with the prince that she's in love with someone and she's scared if the person will love her back in return. And when they saw me coming, they kept quiet.
I see. Isabella, in love, while I am here. And she's in love. I see. I'm giving you a task. Find out who the young man is. Clear?
Yes, Her Majesty, and I promise I won't fail you on this.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey. Like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody.
Mama, I told you we are just best of friends.
Yeah. Best of friends.
Yes.
You both are just best of friends. And she has visited you here 3 times in the space of 1 week. Not counting the one she must have come to the workshop.
And also, brother, don't forget that Princess Natalia indicated interest in you first. And you equally know how violent she can be.
Tell him.
Be very careful.
Yes, tell him, oh. He has forgotten.
Mama, I don't understand what the both of you are saying. I don't have anything with any of these princesses. Do you understand? Princess Natalia do come here to greet me once in a while. I understand. She buys me gifts. I understand. Eh? She's just doing all those ones normally now. While the sister, Daisy, on the other hand, she just told me she wants us to be best of friends. And that is what we are. So there is nothing going on. Just relax.
You must be stupid for thinking that Natalia brought those items just for nothing. Listen, I am a woman. And when a woman is in love, I know. Those 2 girls are in love with you. Get that into your head.
And also, don't forget that Princess Natalia discovered you first. And she cleaned you up.
What kind of talk is that one? Eh? Listen, let me just assume that everything you people are saying is even the truth. There is absolutely no way in this world that I will have something to do with that arrogant princess. Instead of me to settle down with that princess, I'll rather go back to Indidi. Eh? Relax your mind. I know that we're just friends. Huh?
Then why not talk to him? I mean, confess your love to him.
What if he turns me down?
Oh. Do you think he has a reason to do that? He has no good reason to turn you down. However, even if he does, that is not the end of the world. At least it will be said that you have played your own part. But to me, I don't think he will do that. Do you know why?
Why?
Should I say you are a flawless queen? However, a man who accepted to be a bestie, do you think he will have any issue accepting a relationship proposal from a princess like you?
Thank you.
You're welcome, my sister.
My princess, it's time you let go of your pride and acquire what you want. It's so obvious that you're in love with this same guy you address as a pauper.
I am the princess of this kingdom. What if he turns me down? I will just kill myself.
He has no reason to do that. Only if you play your card well. All you need to do is humble yourself and let him take charge as a man. I promise you, he will definitely love you back.
So you suggest I approach him?
Yes, but in a romantic way, because I know you.
I want to tell you something. Promise you won't disappoint me.
I promise you, my princess.
And promise you won't break my heart.
I promise.
Okay? If you want me to believe you, give me a hug.
Tell me love is blind.
Are you shy?
Because I'm so in love.
How dare you? Pig that I washed betray me with this idiot in the royal regalia.
Stupid. What is wrong with you?
Isabella, you slapped me because of this pooper?
And I'll slap you 10 times if you do it again. Have you lost your manners? You must have respect. He is my man. Next time you do this, you will regret it.
He's your man. Oh, I see. We shall see to that.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm so sorry.
It is now obvious that both of you are insane and out of your minds. How could you behave so stupidly outside? Both of you fighting over a man in public. Have you forgotten the daughters of whom you are? What kind of thing is this? In fact, you owe me an apology.
I'm sorry, Father.
Better be.
I have done nothing wrong to apologize. She slapped me and should apologize to me now.
Apologies should be raining from your mouth now. You're just a disgrace to this royal household. Where did you get this from? In fact, let this be the last time I will hear this. I'm not ready to entertain such stupid reports from anybody again. Get out of my sight.
I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. You think you are smarter than your mother.
Mama, that's not the point. I don't think I'm smarter.
But I told
it's just that I didn't know it would happen like this.
Yes. But I told you, didn't I?
Mama, you didn't tell me that they were going to fight in public.
Oh, I should tell you everything, right? Akeze, I should tell you everything, right? Akeze, don't worry. When this rain you are drawing starts falling, do not say I did not warn you. You would have been a married man by now if you had accepted Ndidi Amaka. All this nonsense wouldn't be happening.
Mama, stop it.
Stop what?
Stop it. You see, I was quiet listening to you. This conversation was actually making sense until you mentioned that name. I have told you, anytime we're having a discussion that has to do with relationship, remove her name from your mouth. She's not an option. You will not hear.
Don't worry. You don't know what you're doing to yourself until the Igwe gets involved in this matter. You will bear the consequences alone. Yes. If Igwe gets involved, Akeze, isi ikike jibuna.
That ingrate. That idiot. That pooper. That fool had the guts to leave me for my sister. After all that I did for him, I gave him clothes, food, money, and many goodies that I got for him. After I succeeded in making him, he left me for my sister, Isabella.
My princess, sorry, Her Majesty, if I may ask, while doing all these things for him, did you by any means made your intention known to him?
And what kind of useless question was that, Lucy?
Because I know she never did. That young man may think all those items, all those gifts were just made sign of appreciation for saving her life twice.
Are you against me, Lucy?
My princess, I'm not against you. And you know I love you. I'm only saying the truth.
What kind of useless truths are you talking about? Is that guy a fool? Or doesn't he have brain? How can he think that all the good is bought by the princess with just an appreciation? I don't think that's possible.
I know what I'm saying because I was even the one who convinced her to approach him at the first place. We all know our friend. Even while giving those items, she never showed any interest. She keep on insulting and humiliating him. So how do you expect that young guy to believe that she loves him? It's not possible now.
I do not care about how he may feel or what he thinks. I met him first.
Oh.
And I must possess him. And no one can change that.
Look, I don't care what she thinks. I'm not leaving Akize for anyone, not even her.
But you know they met first.
On what circumstance? The young man only saved her life. And in appreciation, she bought him gifts. That's all about that.
Is that what he told you?
I said what he said. What I know is I have seen my sister maltreat this young man in question and even call him names. She even said he stinks.
You know how proud and arrogant your sister is. She will never go close to that young man if not for emotional attachment. She might be hiding her feelings from her. Who knows? Are you supposed to know?
Sasha, I'm not an oracle or a goddess, and I don't read human minds. How am I supposed to know she's in love with him? Look, I am in love with Akize, and I am not going to let him go. Whatever happens, she should blame it on her pride, not me or the young man.
You have to be careful. Know your sister.
Oh no, open the gate.
And where do you think you're going?
Why do you think I owe you an explanation?
Since you started sneaking shamefully around with my man.
Watch your mouth. Which man are you talking about, if I may ask? Is it the man you called names like imbecile, fool, and all sort of unthinkable names? Look, I don't know you for licking your vomit.
Is it your business if I decide to change? Isabella, leave my man alone.
Oh no, open the gate.
Oh no, do not open that gate.
I am the Adeze of this kingdom, and I insist you open the gate now.
Anu, do not open that gate.
Are you deaf? Open the gate.
Anu, if you open that gate, if I don't bury you alive, call me a fool.
My princess, Isabella, I respect your position as Adeze of this kingdom. I beg you to respect my life. I'm a nobody. If you really want to go, come and open the gate by yourself. It will be better that way because the wrong way, Bauru. Greetings, Her Majesty. I'm here. What do you want me to do? I'm at your service, Her Majesty. Greetings, Her Majesty. I'm here. What do you want me to do? I'm at your service, Her Majesty.
I need a favor from you.
Mention it, whatever it is you want me to do for you. Just mention it and it shall be granted unto you, Her Majesty.
I want you to be my eyes when I'm asleep, my ears when I'm not around, my weapon when I'm armless, and in return, I will treat you fine.
Her Majesty, is there any more thing you want me to do? In fact, may I be permitted to say that you have done well for placing me? Look at where you put me. In our terms, we call it secret service. Informant, to be precise. Her Majesty, I will be at your service. I will do whatever you wish. Anything you want me to do. I am here to serve you, Her Majesty.
So what are you trying to say? Do we have a deal?
100% yes, Her Majesty.
Good.
Is there any other thing you want me to do for you?
You may leave.
Thank you, Her Majesty. May I take my leave now?
You think you've seen frustration. You've not seen anything.
You again? What are you doing here? Don't you have handwork? Well, I'm not surprised. When you were alive, you were useless. And in death, you're still useless.
No, what is it? Stop telling me to calm down. I cannot sit back and watch that man humiliate you when you have a son like me. Mbana Baragun Keys is in Poland. Is he mad?
See, I want you to understand that no matter your affluence, you cannot challenge the highest authority of the land.
What stupid authority? No, what stupid authority? They know they bought in Agbada for here.
Oba, listen, Oba, it is very difficult.
What is the problem? You look worried.
I got the shocker of my life from one of my cabinet members.
Really?
You know, the honorable position is the second most important position in this kingdom, after that of the king. And that has made that position one of the most sought after positions by every elder in this kingdom.
That I am aware of.
I offered that position to a cabinet member for nothing, and he turned it down. And that left me thinking about his level of purity. I was wondering, do such people still exist in this kingdom?
Your Highness.
And for that similar reason, I have told myself that even if I have to lose this throne to another family, that family must be his family.
Your Highness, there's still some good people around.
Yes.
It's amazing.
Please.
Isabella, what are you doing here?
Oh, please don't scream down, my dear. What's wrong with you? I should be asking you that question. What are you doing here?
Do not push me. Do not push me, Isabella, because you know what I'm capable of.
Always making empty threats. Look, my dear, whatever tooth a puppy has, it can never bite more than a dog. I came into this world before you. You are my younger sister, and you must respect me.
Elder sister my foot. Elder sister my foot. Isabella, I will crush you. It's not a threat, but a promise.
And I will be waiting patiently.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody.
I want to know who I'm opening door for. Brother, take it easy. What are you mad?
Are you out of your mind?
Imagine Igwe, I don't know him. I don't know who he is.
Let him be. Do you want me to reset your memory?
Igwe said you should go now. I don't know.
Stop.
Do you allow me? Do you expect me to open gate like that?
Young man, don't you have respect? Close the gate. Should have been outside. Yes, what is it? I am Oba. Mbana Baraguna, Poland, New Zealand, Switzerland. I am the only son of Onowu whom you suspended from the cabinet for doing nothing. Why are you here? I have come to warn you. Alright? Come to warn you. I'm giving you 3 days to recall him back to the cabinet. Else, you will feel my wrath.
You amaze me. If I were not a peaceful king, I would have caused your fingers to wither for pointing them at me. Those things that look like crab legs.
Okay.
Nevertheless, for saying this rubbish you said, I declare that your father is hereby expelled from the cabinet.
You want to dare me, right?
Get out of my palace.
You want to dare me?
I said get out of my palace.
They know they bought in Agbada for here. They know they bought in Agbada for here. You want to dare me? 3 days. 3 days.
I will show you what they're going to happen. I will lock you up in the cage and people will pay to watch you.
3 days.
Come and get out.
They know they bought in Agbada for here.
I beg, come and get out. Imagine, I thought you were somebody safe. I thought you were somebody. Get out. Look, I will kill this man. Oh. I will kill this man now. Get out. Get out. Imagine. I will use you to set an example.
The next time that young man comes here again, shoot him. You have my permission.
Oh, correct, sir. Thank you for giving me that order. Please, go Bologna, come to set an example.
Princess, I love you, no doubt. I won't even deny it. But the truth is, I am no longer comfortable with the fight between you and your sister.
Look, I love you. And that is all that matters to me. We'll be fine, alright?
But, are you sure your sister won't hurt you?
She won't. Look, my sister is just an empty vessel that makes lots of noise. She's a toothless bulldog, okay? Don't worry, baby. We'll be fine.
She's a beast and she's mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody.
Her Majesty.
If you are mama,
where to carry your succulent body enter our territory after such a long time?
our territory. I would day here.
I have a thorn on my flesh. I want it removed.
Our talent.
Who is that person? Just name and address and consider it done.
She's my blood.
Your blood?
Princess Isabella.
Your blood. Shapi one mama, we don't get any work. Our talent, one day.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
You sounded so urgent. So I was wondering what that could be.
Yes, before we continue, I hope he's in cage.
He's always inside the cage. Very caged. You know my son loves dogs.
Yes, and that is why I hardly come to your house because of the dogs.
Don't worry. You're as free as air.
Thank you.
Please, let's go inside.
No. We don't need to go inside. We can discuss here. Okay? You know, our people used to say, that a toad does not run in the afternoon for nothing.
Of course, I know that.
So it is either that his house is on fire.
Oh, that the snake want to make the toad as an enemy.
Exactly.
That I know.
Yes. No. Now, let's go straight to what brought me to your place.
That's okay.
You are a respected man in this kingdom. And a wise one for that matter. For goodness sake, how come you sent your son to the palace to threaten our Igwe?
Huh? You know I cannot do that. I warned him, but he wouldn't listen. I warned him.
In that case, he has to go straight, when I mean immediately, to the palace to apologize to our king. Yes.
Oh, that's good. He will do that.
Are you also aware that he has expelled you from the cabinet?
What? Expelled me?
He has expelled you from the cabinet. Oh no, you don't need to go inside. I am telling you.
I haven't expelled?
Yes. He has expelled you because of the action of your son. Igwe has expelled you. But you don't need to bother yourself because I am still on top of it. Yes, though he offered me your position as Onowu, but I declined. Yes, he asked me to be the Onowu, but I said no. Why should I be the Onowu? Why? You are a nice man, you are an honorable man, a wise one for that matter. But I will only appeal on your behalf, only on one condition.
What could that be?
That you ask your son to go immediately to the palace and apologize to the king.
Oh, that he will do immediately. As soon as he comes back, he will do that immediately.
Good. And as soon as that is done, you leave the rest to me. I will handle it from there.
Ichenoma, you have always been a good friend.
Thank you, Nobu. Thank you, Nobu. Thank you, Nobu. You see, the likes of you are few.
Oba, I don't know how we are going to do this. But I want you to go to the king and apologize to him.
Me? Apologize to the king? Why?
You know, you did what you did because you claimed that you wanted to save me from the humiliation of being suspended by the king.
Of course.
I've been expelled. Therefore, adding to the already existing problems I have with the king, the only way I stand a chance of returning to the cabinet is for you to go down on your knees before the king. Yes, I have been expelled.
Wait, is that what he said?
Not only the king, but the entire cabinet. That's the only way they can help me. If you can just go down on your knees and apologize to the king. And it has to be today.
Tell him I said, they know the button agbada for here. I will do no such thing.
Over. They have to button the agbada this time around. For my sake, I have been pushed out of the office and you're talking of agbada.
Young man, it came to my notice that my daughters have been fighting over you. Is that true?
Your Highness, that is what it looks like.
Seeing you, I remember that you were the one who rescued my daughter that night. But honestly, that is not enough to bring disparity in my household. Now, what do I do to you for bringing this diversity in the royal household? For playing with my daughter's emotions?
Your Highness, with all sincerity, I am not playing games with your daughters. I didn't know it would happen like this. I am sorry. I am sorry for bringing crisis into the royal household. Please forgive me.
Listen, I am one man who does not undermine people, no matter their social status, as it would have been with other kings. I am different. I will let you have one of my daughters if you really mean well for her. So, I will ask you this question. Which of my daughters do you want? Well, just to inform you all, the young man both of you have been fighting over shamelessly. He came here today and he has made his choice.
Who did you choose, Father? Why are you asking a question that you already know the answer?
Who else will he choose? If not me.
Before I proceed, I'd like to make one thing clear to both of you. The young man has chosen someone, and the person he did not choose must not constitute herself as a rival to the other. You should just put yourself together and then wait for another man to find you. Because if I hear any report of any misdemeanor, I will not deal lightly with you.
Your Highness, why are you just beating about the bush? Why don't you just tell us the person the young man chose?
Well, if you must know, he chose Princess Isabella Adeza of this kingdom.
Please, sorry. I'm deeply sorry for what happened. I honestly didn't know what came over me.
I have heard you, and I forgive you. Tell your father I want to see him tomorrow.
Okay. I'll do just that.
It's all right.
I'll take my leave.
I'm done. You can go. You want me to drive?
Baby, I cannot let you go. I can climb the highest mountain to see we are together. I can swim the deepest ocean to show you how I feel. Cause if love is a crime, I want to be a victim. Cause I cannot let it go. I cannot let it go. Oh yeah. If love is a crime, then let me be the victim. Baby, I will fight for you. I will fight for you.
Are you blind? Oba?
Natalia,
What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that. What are you doing in my land?
I am the princess of this kingdom. Are you from this community?
Of course, my father is your no.
Wow.
Cause if love is a crime, I want to be a victim. Cause I cannot let it go. I cannot let it go. Oh yeah. If love is a crime, then let me be the victim. Baby, I will fight for you. I will fight for you. Oh yeah. Now you are love. Now you are love. Oh yeah.
Hey, what's going on now? Why are you obstructing the road? My friend, leave the road now.
What's wrong with you? Leave the way, look at this stout.
Oh, no, they block.
My friend, leave!
Hey. Oh. Hey.
Sorry. Then she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey. Like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Princess Natalia. Hey,
My princess.
Oh, Princess Natalia. Hey.
You came here right on time for me to share this great news with you.
Really? My princess, you look so excited. I thought you were sad over losing a case to your sister.
That was before, not now. My only regret was making a move to stop them, which may probably happen, and I cannot do anything about it. Aside from that, guess what?
What? You know I can never get it right, so what is it?
I met Uba today.
Uba? Which of the Uba? Your ex-boyfriend?
Exactly.
The one you lost his contact?
Exactly.
Wow. I'm so happy for you.
He is from this community, and he was here a few minutes ago.
Wow, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. I'm really happy that you are not smiling.
Father, I don't know how untrue this may sound, but I'm very certain Natalia has a hand in the attack on my life today.
Will you shut up? How dare you? How dare you lay such accusations on your sister?
Quiet.
Your blood.
Quiet, woman. You and I know that Natalia is not innocent. You know she's capable of doing such a thing because you can't bet a pair of her slippers on it. We know. Natalia, you heard your sister? Did you send those boys to hurt her?
I wonder why someone would think that I'm capable of such evil.
That doesn't answer my question.
I have no hand in the attack.
I know you. I trust you, my friend.
Adesa, you heard her. Let this end here and now.
Did you hear your father? Exactly.
Your assignment was to kill the princess and not to hurt the young man.
Well, we're sorry about that. We got an information that she left the palace alone. So we thought she was the one driving.
Next time you have to be very careful. That is by the way. None is dead anyway. But stop. I do not want them dead again.
All right.
That is your balance. When next I need you, I know where to find you.
Noted.
Get out from my car.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia.
Look at you. Just look at yourself. See what I've been talking to you about. Thank your God that you didn't lose your life on the process. It just ended like this.
This is not the right time for this. Why are you apportioning blames now? This is not the right time to apportion blames. As I speak to you right now, I'm in serious pains. You should be thanking God that I'm alive. Tell me though, sorry. No, stop sounding like this.
Yes, Mama.
Someone that has this type of injury must be in serious pain. Yes.
Please don't.
You should be in serious pain.
Stop blaming me.
Yes, Mama. We should not be blaming him. After all, the Igwe gave his consent to the relationship.
I don't understand you. You easy
Eze, I heard you were shot. I hope you're okay. How are you feeling now?
He is fine. My daughter, you're welcome. You're welcome. No. He's fine. Come and sit down. Come. Ugo Talata.
So tell me, what's happened?
So many things happened. It hasn't been easy for me. I still love you right now. You see, when I got to Poland, I went through a whole lot for survival. I lost almost everything I have, including your number.
Well, it's okay, I understand. The most important thing now is that we are united after all these years.
Exactly. Finally.
So, you have me all to yourself, now and forever.
It sounds like you're about to cage me. Yeah. So how have you been?
Good. I missed you.
Come here.
Cause I'm so in love with you, baby, I cannot let you go. I can climb the highest mountain to see we are together. I can swim the deepest ocean to show you how I feel. Cause if love is a crime, I want to be a victim. Cause I cannot let it go, I cannot let it go, oh yeah. If love is a crime, then let me be the victim. Baby, I will fight for you.
Baby, I was thinking about what you told me earlier. I mean your plan to go to Poland after graduation.
What about it?
I'm afraid you will leave me when you get to Poland.
Why would you think such? It's not possible. I'm only going there to hustle, make money, and come back for you.
So you come back for me?
Of course. I will come back for you.
They tell me love is blind, but I love within I see. I'm so in love with you, nobody can take you away. They tell me love is blind, but I love being with you. Because I'm so in love with you, baby, I cannot let.
My frustration is about to start.
No. Now, watch me celebrate my reunion with Uba. What is it? Why are you running like a mad fool? Are you a madman?
Sorry, my princess. The job you gave me, you assigned me to do, that's what I'm carrying out to. You remember you said you want me to be your nose, your ear, your mouth, your eyes. So I'm here to report.
Does that include scaring me?
No, Her Majesty, no.
So tell me, what is it?
As your eyes, I saw your man, Oba, standing with your sister Isabella.
What?
Outside. Now as your mouth, I decided to come and give you the undiluted information. Now as your ear, I use my conscience to know that they are there discussing something very important, very serious, very sumptuous. I said I must come and tell you.
Isabella! Standing with my man?
Very close to your man.
Oh, that girl.
Very, almost coming, almost coming. I am very sure that this one is going to be hot WWE.
tagged Royal Rumble. In fact, Palace Royal Rumble. I can't wait to watch this. Oh, Arno, you're a good informant. I can't wait to watch this. Let me be the special referee.
Wait now. Can you just take a chill pill? Just take a chill pill and hear me out first. Am I making you uncomfortable?
Isn't it obvious? Look, I don't want my sister to meet me here, alright?
Wait.
Gold digger, what are you doing with my man? You cheap prostitute.
Hey, listen up. I have tolerated your excesses enough. Next time you call me names, I will deal with you. I will show you why I am your elder sister. Do you understand? You can have your man. After all, he is not my class and type. I don't need him. He's not my type.
Can you just take a chill pill? Why are you always fast in conclusion? So you haven't changed?
Do not tell me to take a chill pill. For you do not know this cheap prostitute that I unfortunately have as a sister. Moreover, you came to see me, right? So I'm here. Shall we?
Well, I changed my mind. Magam.
I am not accusing her. I saw them with my eyes.
Your Highness, you heard that? She saw them with her eyes. Thank God the gate man was also a witness. Else you would have termed my daughter Natalia a liar. And Isabella you would have supported.
Don't talk like that, Chukwueze. I do not support any particular person. No one is my favorite. They're both my daughters.
Easier said than practiced.
Well, Adeza, what your sister just said, is it the truth?
Not at all, Father. She saw me discussing with Oba and concluded I have something to do with him. She started calling me names.
Straight from the horse's mouth. She saw you. She saw you talking to him. What else? What else do you want, Your Highness? She has said it all. She was actually with him. Look at her mouth. She concluded. Why would she conclude? Oh, you're waiting for her to catch you red-handed doing it, right?
Well, Ugoeze, stop it. Stop this. Well, Adeza, I do not care whatever it is you were discussing with him. I do not want to see you together again.
Tell her.
Will you shut your mouth and speak with you? Adeza?
Yes, Father.
It's better.
My princess, that you saw them discussing means nothing. I mean, you don't expect them to be enemies.
Lucy, please, can you for once stand for our friend and not her enemy?
Nelly, I'm always standing for the truth. Moreover, they weren't at the hidden place. It was just in this palace, and they also know that princess is around.
And so what?
Thank you.
Does prostitutes have shame? I don't know, but my mind is telling me that you're a spy.
Right.
Because your mind hates the truth.
With so much pride, she goes, she cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia. Lay down your pride. Princess Natalia. Lay down.
What are you doing here?
What is that supposed to mean? I'm here to see you, of course. Meanwhile, I've been calling you and you're not taking my calls. Why?
I know you're very rude, but one thing I didn't know is that you are also dumb. It simply means one thing. It simply means that I am done. Right? It means that we are done. Your character stinks. For real. And the fact that it's getting worse every day gives me so much concern. Your sister is far better than you. She's cool-headed. I can't continue with this thing we call relationship. For real.
How dare you speak to me in such rude manners? I am the princess of Arofimo Kingdom.
Okay, I see. Princess of Arifi Kingdom. I do not care who you are. Okay? Kindly with your feather crown, leave my house right now.
Are you okay? Are you insane?
Oh yes, I am.
You're asking me out of your house?
Oh no, I'm sorry. Maybe the man I did it. I'm not asking you out of my house. I'm actually... Nonsense. You know that we're sending any important about that for you. Nonsense.
You just dug your grave.
Why are you so troublesome, baby sis? What is it this time around?
You may think that you have succeeded, but just know that the battle line has been drawn. You've succeeded in taking Akeze away from me. And now, you want to take Obai away from me too. I would not let that happen. Never!
Hold on. I'm trying to figure out what you are talking about. Can you please explain? I'm lost here.
If I lose Uba, head will roll.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody.
Young man, I hear you're Akeze.
That's my name. So what business do you have with my name?
I have a whole lot of business, but first, I understand that you're the reason Princess Isabella is playing hard to get, right?
Well, yes. Or maybe she just find you unworthy and totally unreasonable. Yeah, I think that's the word, unreasonable.
This guy, how brazen. Well, I'm not here to banter words with you, nor here for debate. You know, accurate timekeeper, panel of judges, and so on and so forth. You know why? Because I know they bought in Agbada for here. I'm here for us to have a certain understanding, eh? Let Princess Isabella go. Alright? Let her go. Name your price, I'm going to give it to you. But please, I know why I'm adding please. Okay? Let her go.
Give me your life. Kill yourself. That's what I want.
Well, I must tell you, I won't be this nice when next we meet, eh? Huh? Okay. See you to that, bro.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for.
And where do you think you're going?
If you don't stop this madness, you will leave me with no option than to beat you up like a child.
You're going to see my man. And you even have the guts to threaten me?
You know, I'm not supposed to tell you where I'm headed to. But I'll tell you for a reason. I am going to see Akeze. And not that he goat you call a man.
Isabella!
Stop it! What's this all about?
I provided you with an option. But you chose to do otherwise. If only you knew what I went through. In Poland, New Zealand, Holland, then you will know that I am a beast. You will know that I kill for a living. I guess you don't know that you're playing with fire. But I promise you, you will get burnt. Guys. Make you help me button this guy, Agbada. Okay? Throw him to the evil forest.
For sure.
But even if you kill me, you will never have Princess Isabella.
You not go quiet, Abby. Abby, you the mad?
Hey, leave me to worry about that. Okay? Kill him. Oh my God.
Then you talk of
You die for this. I will be. You will die here.
You are so wicked. I doubt if you are my biological daughter. How could you do such a thing to your sister? How could you? I shouldn't even be talking to you. I should be calling the police on you instead of talking to a fool like you.
Father, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. It was the handwork of the devil. Mother, please help me plead with Father.
Your Highness, please forgive her. She's your daughter.
Oh, she's not my daughter.
No way you can be calling the police on your own daughter.
Doubt it, she's a product of my loins.
Oh, Your Highness, how can you say that? You know she's yours. Let's just call what she did youthful exuberance. Please. Please forgive her.
Mama, you tell me you're still worrying yourself since last night. Yes. I am worried. Huh? Mama. Listen, Akeze has not done this before. He has not slept outside without telling me. I know, but maybe he traveled. Traveled? Yes. Without telling me. He can't do it. He cannot travel without informing me first. This is the first time he left this house without informing anyone. Yes, I know my son very well.
But maybe he went for outside work. I mean, let's not just conclude on anything now.
Still the same thing. He cannot go to outside work without informing me. I have this feeling that something bad must have happened to him.
No, Mama, don't talk like that now. I mean, let's not just conclude like that.
This is my first experience of this type of thing. Huh? Please, just allow me. Leave me alone.
Mama, please now. I don't like that you're worrying yourself like this.
Leave me alone, Biko. Hapumaka.
No, I won't leave you. Let's go inside. Brother is fine. Mama, please now. Oh, let's go inside.
Hapumaka.
Brother is fine. Mama, please, please.
Well, are you sure he's dead? I need to confirm it. Check whether he's dead. Let's move it.
I want him dead in 3 days.
But why?
Our business has no why. I might wake up one morning with the feeling of killing someone. Once I pay you, you must deliver.
Well, I know I will be going against the rule of the game, but I want you to give me this privilege, even if it's just this one.
He betrayed me. He dumped me for my enemy.
This mission may be the toughest one, because he's a mafia. So, Baba, what I'm about to tell you now, I know it's against the rule of the game, but I'm breaking this rule because of you.
Okay, can you spill it? Who wants me dead?
Princess Natalia wants you dead.
Princess Natalia. Really now? She wants me dead.
Yes, my bro. You see, my friend, money can do all things except making me your friend to betray you. You see, we started this together before you travel abroad, and you were a good leader who has grown to be a mafia. You see, ever since you returned, you have been supporting my team financially. I cannot betray you for any amount. Huh?
My guy, do you know the button Agbada for a year? You're truly a brother, right? So we see to that. So Princess Natalia wants me dead.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia.
You know the button Agbada for a year. What's up?
And what's the meaning of this nonsense?
I see you're sending my boys after me, right? The boys I trained. How mobilized can you be?
You betrayed me first. The very day you left me for my sister, Isabella. That was the day you signed your death warrant.
So what you gonna do? Kill me? Well, you cannot kill me, no matter how much you try. Ask about me in Holland, Poland, New Zealand. They know they button agbada for here. Oh.
Let's watch the game unfold. We shall know who is the real Mafian. Take this carton out of my way. I shall come back for you later.
Let's see how the game unfolds. Take this curtain off my way. Your voice sounds like a joke, seriously, baby girl. Well, we shall see. But my advice to you is stop sending those boys after me, because no matter how you try for them to hurt me, they can never hurt me.
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, hey, lay down your pride. She lays.
Your Majesty, this one you came uninformed. I hope I'm safe.
Answer that for yourself. How dare you betray me?
No, I didn't. I only maintain my loyalty. You see, I owe him a lot as long as I remain in this business.
But that will be until I send you to your unwise ancestors.
Hey, who does that now? The princess they carry God. Hey, I'll get the sharpie the one, mama. Who does that?
Do not play too wise, Her Majesty.
Hey,
You must be a fool for thinking that you can form me in my zone.
I think I'm wrong, but I'll come back for you. This is definitely the wrong venue for this. I'll come back.
Don't ever waste your time, Your Highness.
Chappie, fuck up. Who does that? Come on, buddy. Chappie, who does that? Never born and well. Even the princess they carry God. Claims.
Action. So, woman, where are you from?
Your Highness, I am a widow from Ofemili Kingdom. It is unfortunate that Ugeze here does not recognize me. But no problem. It is time for me to spill the beans that has been in my cupboard for decades. And there's no time to do that than now. So that when I die, my soul will be granted eternal rest. I was a nurse at Immaculate Heart Hospital many years ago, before I was retired. 30 days ago, I was on my way to the farm. My son, you said you're from Arofim. That Onowu son wanted to kill you because Adeze rejected him to be with you.
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Alo, what a wicked word. Who is your mother, if I may ask?
Her name is Isiaku. Isiaku Ikemjika.
What is it?
Is this Akeze? Is this you? Mama, Akeze! 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 Is this you? Akeze! Is this you? Akeze, I thought you were dead. I cried all day and night for 30 days. I searched you everywhere, but couldn't find you. What happened?
Mama, this woman saved my life.
It's true.
They thought they've killed me.
Are you sure he's dead? I need to confirm this. Check whether he's dead. Let's move it.
All thanks to God and this woman. If not by now, I would have been a dead man.
Thank you so much, Ma. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Wanyibem. Dalu Onne.
You don't need to thank me. I am the one who owe you people an apology.
How?
Isaac, I know you no longer recognize me. But don't worry, until we get to the palace first. Your Highness, I was that nurse that delivered your first child. Akeze here is your biological son.
Huh?
Why Isabella is the first daughter of Isiaku.
I said it. I knew it. I knew she does not share the same blood with me. I knew she does not have royalty in her.
You keep quiet there. Before I behead you.
Father, she's just a gold digger.
Quiet! Ugoeze. What this woman just narrated. Is it the truth?
Your Highness, I am.
Sorry. How are you doing today? I'm fine. How's the baby doing? Very fine. Oh, sorry. I was told you want to see me. Oh, yes. I want to. Oh, okay. Can you please excuse us? Sure. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Please, actually, there is something I want to discuss with you. Okay. What could that be?
It's due to my family background. You know, my mother gave birth to 12 children. And I happened to be the last one amongst 11 boys. They said that a sacrifice, a ritual had to be performed before they could give birth to me. So, in my family, it's so difficult to have a baby girl, a daughter. So when I took it and I had your first son, I felt history had come to torment me. So I paid her. I paid her handsomely to take away my son and get me a baby girl.
I understand.
Sorry.
I understand. Okay, just name your price. Anything.
Okay. I've heard what you say.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Can I please take a baby?
Yes, you can. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Much. Oh my God. Please. Thank you. You have to promise me something.
Yes.
Please promise you take care of this child. Take good care of her, please.
I will do just that. And I will never forget this. I promise you.
Listen, I am so disappointed at you. Why would you do this? Why would you deny me of my heir?
Highness, I am sorry. I never meant to deceive you. I felt I could give you male children because in my family it was easy to have male children. But then I gave birth to a baby girl, my princess, and my womb. My womb was destroyed after that, which is why we adopted the prince. I'm so sorry. I didn't know I would get to this. I am truly sorry. I am sorry. Isabella, I am sorry. My son. I am so sorry. I am sorry, everyone. I am truly sorry. So this is what all this wickedness you've been showing to me is all about. No wonder Izenaya said there is more to my existence than I already know.
Of a truth, he even prophesied that there was one bigger than him who would sit on this throne after me. What a wonderful gift he has. I am disappointed in you. And you will not go unpunished.
Why are you so much in a hurry?
Father, it's something came up, alright? I need to rush now as soon as possible to... I'll see you when I'm back, okay?
Yeah, so done.
Yeah, sure.
What's going on, son?
I don't know. I'm confused as you are. Man, are you guys looking for someone? You can talk to us, maybe we'll direct you. I'm not sure you are the right place.
Well, you are under arrest for the attempted murder of one Mr. Akezi. And you have the right to remain silent. For whatever you say or do here will be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, my son is very influential. He is Mbana Brago Nkizizi Napoleon. Yes. So he cannot attempt murder. The people that can attempt murder are the miscreants, the low-lifers, the nobodies. My son is very rich. Stinky money.
Sorry.
So the next street is a Boa Street. It's a Boa Street.
Sorry, reverse is the case today. Move him.
Officers, y'all need to take a chill pill for real. We will settle this, okay? Whatever it is, we'll settle.
Move it! Move it!
Move it! Father, move, officer. What I'm saying is, hey, officers, move. We can settle.
Let me tell you something. This way, please go. Before you can have this car. Move! Officer.
Please.
Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, lay down your pride. Princess Natalia, lay down. She listens to nobody and she never values.
This is a dream come true. So after everything, I am now the Adaeze of this kingdom. And this rightfully belongs to me now. You.
You think you have it all?
What are you doing there? You're a ghost. You're dead. And you should remain dead.
You think you are now the Adaeze of his kingdom. But this is not how the story ends.
So how will it end? I am now the princess of this kingdom. The Adaeze.
Just look at that side.
What are you guys doing here?
From all indications, you are Princess Natalia.
Yes, I am Princess Natalia, the one and only legitimate Adaeze of this kingdom. And please, if you don't mind, address me as Her Majesty.
Well, Her Majesty, you are under arrest for the attempted murder of one Isabella and Prince Akezie. You have the right to remain silent, for whatever you say or do here will be used against you in the court of law.
Are you mad? How dare you come to my palace and address me that way?
What is it?
How are you?
Your Highness.
What may be the matter?
Sir, she is under arrest for the attempted murder of one Isabella and Prince Akezie.
What? Father, I do not understand what they are saying.
Really? Disgust. You should explain to them.
We have our information correctly.
You can take her.
Thank you, Your Highness. Arrest her.
Father, are you going to stand there and allow them take me? I am the Adaeze of this kingdom.
That's exactly why I said they should take you. You will explain yourself.
Your Highness.
When you get to the station, you tell the DP that you're their Adaeze, and that is why you committed murder.
Your Highness, this is your daughter, please. Please.
Mother.
No one is greater than the law. Allow the law to take its course.
Mother.
Move it.
Please, Your Highness. Adaeze, be strong. Be strong. I'm coming for you. Be strong. Your father will come for you. Just stay strong, please.
Like I said, no one is greater than the law. She should have known she had the consequences for what she did.
Do not touch me. I'm the princess of this kingdom. Do not touch me. Father, mother, are you going to allow them take me? Don't touch me. Do not touch me. You don't know who you're dealing with and you do not know what I'm capable of. Father!
She's a beast and she is mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody.
Your Highness. Your Highness, please.
Like I said, no one is bigger than the law. The law must take its course.
She should have known the consequences of her actions when she was doing them.
But we're not sure yet. We've not seen any evidence.
When she gets there.
Princess Natalia. Princess Natalia. She listens to nobody and she never value anybody. With so much pride, she's so full of herself. She's a beast and she's mean. She don't care what people say. Cares for nobody. She cares for nobody. Hey, like a she-wolf, she is heartless. Like a python, she's ready to strike. She cares for nobody. She cares for